Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best speaker wall mounts that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have VideoSecu speaker wall mounts. The VideoSecu speaker wall mounts are reliable, solid and very well constructed wall mounts that are easy to install. These wall mounts come as a pair of side clamping speaker mounts with 360-degree swivels for speaker sound positioning. It also tilts 10 degrees up or down for better sound projection at ear level. The clamp adjusts from 5.3 to 11 inches and is compatible with a wide variety of speakers including bookshelf speakers and surround sound speakers, with a supported weight of up to 33 pounds including cable management. The VideoSecu wall mounts feature heavy-duty steel construction with a wall plate cover for better protection. We like the fact that mounts also come with standard mounting hardware with a user manual for easy reference. Moving on at number 4, we have Wally universal speaker wall mounts. The Wally speaker wall mounts are designed primarily for larger bookshelf speakers with a mounting capacity of up to 55 pounds. These are essentially dual-side clamping speaker wall mounts for large surround sound speakers and bookshelf speakers, and are suitable for high-end home theater setups. They come with really good adjustability with 90 degrees swivel and 7.5 degrees upwards-downwards tilt. The speaker wall mounts are compatible with speakers that are between 5.3 to 11 inches wide to fit inside the clamp. It also comes with non-marking and non-slip isolation pads which help to hold the speakers securely in place without marring the finish. The entire package comes with a pair of Wally side clamping speaker mounts, a full mounting hardware kit and a user manual for easy reference. At number 3, we have mounted speaker wall mounts. The mounted speaker wall mounts are another solid set of wall mounts for larger speakers weighing up to 55 pounds or 25 kilograms. They come as a pair of speaker wall mounts and are essentially a pair of heavy-duty side clamp speaker wall mounts for medium to large bookshelf speakers or large studio monitors. They are built for a universal fit for speakers between 5.4 to 11 inches and are suitable for a wide variety of home theater speaker applications. These speaker wall mounts are durable and constructed with solid steel and covered with ABS material to prevent rust and corrosion. It also has good cable management and provides a really elegant modern appearance when installed at home. The base is also padded with rubber to prevent slipping and to project the speakers. At number 2, we have Haas universal speaker wall mounts. The Haas speaker wall mounts are a solid set of mounts for smaller speakers with a capacity of up to 7.7 pounds. It comes as a pair of 2 speaker mounts which are suitable for home cinema or satellite speakers with single-threaded insert fittings. It comes with an adjustable mechanism that swivels 70 degrees left or right, or 20 degrees up or down tilt. This allows you to direct the sound towards a sweet spot and enhance your overall surround sound listening experience. The wall mounts provide a universal fit for all single-point speakers together with single rear entry fittings for installation. And finally at number 1, Mono-Price speaker wall mounts. The Mono-Price speaker wall mounts are compact wall mounts designed for medium-sized speakers weighing up to 22 pounds each. It comes in a set of 2 speaker wall mounts. Each bracket is a 2-piece unit with all the necessary mounting hardware included. It comes with an ABS bracket that mounts onto the wall and another ABS bracket to hold the speaker in place. The speaker mounts feature a ball-jointed 1/4 x 20 threaded screw for easy installation. It also comes with a keyhole to 1/4 x 20 adapter for use with speakers that lack a native 1/4 x 20 mounting point. The speaker brackets are attached with a simple slide and lock mechanism for a secure installation. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.